Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can pin or unpin messages on Messenger on iPhone. So to do that, go ahead and open up your Messenger application. So let's go to any of the chat. For instance, I'll choose this. So long press on the message that you want to pin it. Once you tap on it, you'll be appear with several options, which is report, bump, pin, add word effect, remove or more. So if you want to pin it, just go ahead and tap on that pin button. Doing so will successfully help you pin the messages or the particular message. And if you want to just unpin it, you can just do the same method and tap on unpin and you are good to go. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.